Hey Doodles, so today we're looking at the 180 Brutfuner oily coloured pencils. These are the round version and in it is 6 trays, and I've already done all of the swatching and stuff for this that you will see shortly, but you will, in my experience, need one of these or something to dust off your paper. They are quite dusty. Quite a few of the trays are broken and I've patched them up as best as I can. A few things I've noticed. This is in the second tray. It is called apricot yellow. This is in the 5th tray. It is called apricot yellow. They do have different codes on them though. And then also you've got metallic ochre 030, and then a few pencils later you've got metallic ochre 033. So we do have some name double ups. There's probably others in there, but I didn't particularly notice them. And one thing that I wanted to show you with a scrap bit of paper was just how dusty they are. So we have nice vibrant colours. Then when you start going over them, you start getting a lot of dustiness. See that? So, see all that dust? So those are a few things I noted about them. Anyhow, for the price of, I think I paid about 65 New Zealand dollars, perhaps it was Australian. If that was Australian, then it would have cost me less than $70 New Zealand for 180 set of pencils. Not too bad. Right, so I'm going to be using this beauty of a pencil sharpener, KW Trio. Here we have the beautiful array of colours. So as you can see, you get a very wide variety of colours. So that's the first page, second page, and this is the third page. It would have been nice if there were probably some more browns is what I noticed, and maybe some more greys, but there is a variety of greys as you go through the colour wheel. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with what I got for my money. I will be using them to do colouring, so if you're interested in that, when I put anything I have done colour wise, even if it's my own art that I've coloured in, I always put on my thumbnail the item that I have used. Perhaps stick around if you want to see what these actually look like in action. If you are interested in the swatch is on my Gumroad. It is free, or you can help me out, support me and what I do here, and decide to pay me whatever you want, or you can just download it for free. Either way, I don't mind. But if you do choose to give me a small donation, I really appreciate it, more than you probably know. My Gumroad link is in the video description. If you found this useful, I do have 2 other videos on my channel about Brutfuner pencils, so I will put them up on the end card for you. Until next time, keep on doodling!